Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today also market was trending on the upside, right? But if you see, there was less momentum in Bank Nifty and more momentum in Nifty, but especially in the second half. This indication is suggesting that Nifty can touch 20,000 by the end of this week, because very easily it can touch 20,000, not really that far, and it looks like Nifty will continue its short covering. If you see, in the end there was a lot of volume in futures also, right? Just ignore this one big candle. If let's say I zoom in, and if you see, there was a lot of volume in Nifty futures in the end, right? So that means there is short covering happening in the market, and this is precisely what I was talking about, right? In my weekly analysis videos and previous days videos, that FIs are holding very big, index short futures, right? So they will need to cover their shorts if they're wrong, and they will cover it very soon, right? Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow, and what can we do on the Bank Nifty expiry? Tomorrow there's Bank Nifty expiry also. So tomorrow I think we can expect a good momentum if we open a bit flat. Right now we closed at 43,880, anywhere below like 50 or 60 points up or down. If we open in this area itself between 43,960 to 43,800, in this area itself, and if we just take sustain a little bit in this area, then say let's say we open at 43,960, right? Then if you see that the market is taking support from 43,860, then we can again take a long position over here till the target of 44,100 to 44,080 on the upside, right? Because from this zone was acting as a very good resistance, and market took resistance from here at the opening also, and afterwards also. But from there, market has now broken and closed above this level, or at least at that resistance, right? So now it will act as a very good support, right? So 830 to 860 is going to act as a very good support zone for you guys for tomorrow. So what you guys can do is very simple. If we open a little bit flat, right, anywhere, if we open with a small gap up, and once we get near 43,860, either you can wait for a very good bullish candle to be made, or you can also wait for positive price action, and from there we can go long with a target of 44,100 on the upside, because then we will wait for a little bit of time. So there will be a little bit of pause, and then we can continue this rally up till 44,100, and then mostly market will take resistance from 44,100, because there is a gap that is pending over here. So market will then take a little bit of resistance, maybe come back down, take I'm really sorry, consolidate over here for some time, and then again continue to move up, right? So that will be our plan if we open a little bit flat. Even if we open, let's say, with a little bit of gap down somewhere near 43,800 and all these levels, then also we can go ahead and take a bullish trade once we get a 5-minute closing above 43,950, right? Wait for a 5-minute closing, because maybe market might go above this level, come back down, take your stop loss, and then go up, right? So once we get a 5-minute closing, it will then be good to take a bullish trade over here till the target of 44,080 to 44,100 on the upside, right? That is if we open flat. What if we open with a gap down? Right now 43,740 will be an important level, right? If we are going below 43,740 and making negative price action below that level, then we can also go ahead and take a short trade till 43,500 on the downside, because that is a major support on the downside. Yes, we have 43,600, but I think if the market opens with a big gap down somewhere near 43,740, or 7, all these levels, right, 750 and all these levels, even below that level, then once we make a negative price action below 43,740, you guys can go ahead and take a short trade again with a target of 43,500 on the downside. You can book some profit at 43,600, and let the rest until 43,500 on the downside, right? But wait for negative price action, because it could happen that the market opens with a gap down but instantly recovers in the first candle itself till 43,830, 840 levels, right? That has happened many times, and so that can happen tomorrow also, that market opens with a gap down but instantly recovers in the first few minutes itself on the upside, right? And then you may think about shorting. That will not really be a good idea. So once we get a negative price action below 43,740, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short trade. Below in this area, we'll do nothing and just wait for the market to decide where it wants to go. If we open with a gap down somewhere near 44,100, right, then you can also, if we open anywhere above 44,000, then we will not do anything because market has opened in the middle. So it really doesn't make sense to take a trade over here. Then we'll wait for the market to come till 44,100. And once we see negative price action being made near 44,100, that is when we can go ahead and take a short trade also over here till the target of 43,950 on the downside again, because market will come back down if we open the gap down, right? Because if you see, market has been going up in a straight direction from 44,300, right? So if it opens, if you again open with a gap up and continue to move up, chances are there will be a bit of profit booking, and then we could see that profit booking come back down till 43,860, 43,900, and from there, once we take support, we can again move up to make new highs in Bank Nifty also, right? Because this is a very good zone where the market will take a resistance. So again, as I said, do not go ahead and take a buying position if you open with a very big gap up anywhere above 44,000. Talking about Nifty, if you see, was also strong today also. So you can again look for buying in Nifty also near 19,870. Once, if you open with a small gap down, that is also fine. If you open flat, that is also fine. Just above 19,870, if you see that the market is taking support near 19,870, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here. Your target will straight up be, first of all, this high of 19,920, and then you can keep a target of 19,980 itself, because market has, if you see, consolidated for a long time over here. So market now has given a breakout, right? So it should continue very fast on the upside till 19,980 at least, and then it can take resistance from 20,000 levels on the upside, right? If that is, if you open flat. If you open the gap up somewhere near 19,940 levels, again we'll wait for a little bit of pullback till at least 19,900, right? And once then we see proper price action being made on the bullish chart, bullish price action, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade again till 19,980 on the upside, right? If we open with a gap down somewhere near below this level 19,870, watch out for price action, because if we open with a gap down, if we are sustaining below this level, then chances are market could give a breakout failure, right? But even that will only be confirmed once we go below 19,820. So this area will be a bit of volatile area, and it's best to not take a trade over here. Once we go below 19,820, then things will become bearish for Nifty, because then this will be a breakout failure, and then we can easily even keep 100 points target till at least 19,700 on the downside in Nifty, right? But that is if we open with a very big gap down below 19,820, and once we even sustain below 19,820 for 5 minutes, that's fine. Then we can go ahead and take a short trade over here, because then this will be a breakout failure and Nifty will become bearish for at least tomorrow, and then we can expect a sell-off from there till at least 19,700 levels on the downside. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.